See the shreddings that I'm using from the bag of paper shreddings. Hello, this is a bit of a garden update today. This is my new water butt, yet to be set up. Behind I have a number of little pots and things that I can use. The radishes, as you can see, I've had to put in some mint because somebody's eating them. Coming up, this one has already had some garlic in, from which I've had the greens, but I've planted a couple of little extra ones in the back, as you can see, extra cloves. There is the white garden netting for when the lemon cukes down here start growing enough to be able to latch on. I've got 3 sets of these. Again, radishes, lemon cukes, and the mint. A nice big clove of garlic at the back, and again at the front I've taken some of the green, so hopefully there should be a bulb growing down there. And that's one of my milk cartons converted and fixed to the fence. These are our little lights at night. More cukes and radishes and mint. Now in the tin cans I have some little lettuce, which I've just transplanted out today. Not these particularly, but they will have to be got out very carefully. On here I have a bottle garden, and these are all the beetroot seedlings, golden beetroot, and they will be planted out or given to others, you know, in my veg box, so that they can plant them out themselves. Here, this potato is just going bananas. Look how tall it is. It's growing out at the top of the green lawn mesh now. So I think these are going to be biggish potatoes. I've been replanting out some chickpeas, which I grew from the raw chickpea, and they are doing very well. There's some more mint at the front from which I keep getting my supply, and these mints over here are for already taken by someone, so I'm just looking after them for them at the moment. I do a quick shifty around here. I got that rosemary from the supermarket. I just plunked it in, and it does all right. I made some rosemary and garlic bread yesterday. That's another little pot of radish. The sweet potato is not doing very well at the moment. I can't get it to root, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to deal with that one. That's one I've just emptied today. In there are some garlic and cloves that have got the greens on them coming up nicely. The spring onions, they're so tiny, I don't know whether they're going to come to anything at all. Carrot tops, yes, I've done the carrot tops there. That is a mini or a dwarf lupin that somebody gave me in two of the seeds germinated. At the back there I've got a corn on the cob. A couple of little shoots came from it. Oh, actually, if you look further in, look what's happening. It's actually sprouted. How wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. In the cage over here at the back, I've got peas. See, flowers at the top. And if you look closely, you can see some pea pods in the cage. There's quite a few now. Let me just feel. And they're not ready for picking yet, but they're coming on. Sorry, they're coming on, look. Yeah. Back round again. And I've got another large box. It's a 100-litre box in which I started doing composting in the box. If you can see down towards the bottom. Oops, not very easy to see, but there's grass at the bottom. Come back a bit. Grass, paper, compost, and they're doing amazingly well as well. So they'll grow tall like the others. I'm just swinging around now to look at my new addition. So today we made this out of a fabric raised bed. I got a pack of 2 from Amazon, and as you can see, the blue water pipe, which is 20mm, I've joined together with some zip ties. It's quite sturdy, this, you know, and that's because I've been doing something down here. There are 4 milk jugs with stone in the bottom and filled up with water to the top. And what we did to make sure it stayed in place was put a screw in, and then I tied it with a zip tie, and on the back you can see the milk top, and I zip tied it to another hole in the neck of the jug. So I'm hoping that'll stay rather sturdy. Today I've replanted chickpeas, lettuce. These are the red and green little gems. Not quite sure what they call them. Are they Aztec or something? But they're red and green little gems. So I'll come around there. So each pole, each water pipe pole and support has 3 chickpea plants. See? The smaller plants there are golden beetroot, so I've kind of separated them out into a block of 4 because there are 4 plants in each little cluster, and they grow to tennis ball size, so you don't want them too close. The lettuces are just mini little gems, so they won't grow too much, and I'm hoping the chickpeas will come all the way up here to the top. Now there's a lot more going on in the garden at the moment, but I'm not going to show you that until another time. View of the west wing, as I will call it. The west wing, swing around, back door, new raised bed, and potatoes and peas and various other little bits. But this will this is just the size of our little patch, which I will show you up to there.